how to enable or disable notification center on the lock screen on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, we enter the current passcode. Then, after that, we scroll down and tap on Notification Center. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. If you do not want to display any notifications on the lock screen, you can simply turn it off. Now, if we go to the lock screen, it will not open up the notification center when we have disabled it. And that's it. If you go back in and switch it on, you can access the notification center. So here, if I go in here and tap on it to switch it on. Okay, so we scroll down and turn it on. Now if you go to your lock screen and if you have notifications, you can open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.